This is a Tecno keypad for want to run. Although I've already done the job, but I just want to show you what I did for the start to start working. This is it. Let us start. Let us go to test. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Gosh. Then the zero button is not there. Not even there. It's only no trace of the button there. It's pulled off. What you can see is the panel. No button at all. I don't know how the customer made it, and it is no more longer there. The middle golden cap is no more longer there. It's pulled out without trace. So I happen to find out that the number one button can give us star. So from the number one button, I get my star. Look at it. Are you seeing it? The star is present. I get that star from my number one button. So please do like, subscribe and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is it, star. This is the phone. So this is it. Alright. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate. Please hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification. Thank you.